Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Fall Guys mobile on your Android or iOS devices. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Fall Guys on mobile, you will need to download Epic Games Launcher to your phone first, since this is where we can download the game. So to download Epic Games Launcher, just go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, you can now start searching for Epic Games. And after searching, you will now be able to see this website, which is the official website of Epic Games, so just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be on the official Epic Games website. So to download the Epic Games Launcher app on this website, it's so simple, since as you can see, the install button is just right here, so just go and tap it. And after that, just tap this install button once again to start installing the app. And after tapping it, the downloading process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, just tap open to start installing the app. And then the installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once the installation is finished, you can now open it. And then you will now be on your Epic Games Launcher. So to download Fall Guys mobile on Epic Games Launcher, it's so easy, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the game Fall Guys right here, so just go and tap it. And then just tap the install button to start downloading the game. And after that, the downloading process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now start installing the game. And once the installation is finished, it's done. Congratulations, you can now start playing the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.